What's up, y'all? It's the walk-on coach. I just spray painted my helmet. Got a new season starting up, 11-man season. I just finished 8-man football season. And so now I'm on a new team with different colors. So I had to go back all black. So now I have to reassemble my Riddell Speed helmet. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I should have recorded the disassembly. So if you need to disassemble, just watch the video in reverse. I'm putting in my smoke visor back in the helmet too, so y'all stay tuned for the end product. So all I have right now are the face mask and then the helmet. I just spray painted this yesterday. So I have all my supplies right here: helmet, face mask, the pads for the inside of the helmet, ear pads. Right here, my chin strap. Got my clips. Need these for the helmet too. This for the chin strap. You'll need some type of screwdriver, and then I do have a head that is just a point, and you'll need that head with the point just for these, because to get these out, you have to push that pin in the middle. Let's get started. I'm gonna work backwards from how I took everything out. And the first step, I think, is to put this pad back in the helmet that's right at the front. I need to grab my smaller screws and put those back in. Look familiar? See the little screw holes right there? All right, she screws in, screwdriver. All right, that's in there nice and snug. Now, next step, let's grab the biggest pad. This is the bulkiest pad that covers the top and the back and a little bit of the sides. Look pretty good, right? It's up in there, but now I'm gonna double check and make sure those white parts are sticking out the hole, because that's how you know it's aligned. Got them all lined up in there. Got a couple of caps for them to screw in and lock them in place. So this, you will need your screwdriver to tighten them up again, or actually it'll be easier to get a flathead if you have it. Bad boys tighten. Boom, couple turns, it should be all right. All right, so they should be pretty flush with the top of the helmet. So, let me tighten this one up a little bit more. Yep, point. So let's start with this side over here. And this is how you release this clip. Ugh, come on, come on. All right, got. Put your pins through. Go ahead and put this on the back side and get it ready for. But now, this is the hard part. You're gonna have to hold it, grab your point, and press in. And then this is the hard part right here. So when you press in, it should go all the way into that cap on the other side and then come back out and lock. But you see mine is still pressed in. I mean, it's not all the way flush. So something's wrong. Let me see if putting in that other one to help. But last time it just honestly made the other one pop out. If I try to do two at a see? Crap. Try this one first. Oh, there you go. That one just popped in. Smooth. Hey, there we go. Let's put the ear pads back in. Get my flat head back on. All right, so all the pads in the interior are back in, face mask is on and locked in. So now let's put that trim strap back on. Riddell's facing out. And these are gonna go. So these now lock into place. This is the part that you kind of need to put your helmet back on so you know how to fit it. So you don't secure these up too high, but I'm gonna just eyeball it for right now. So that's where these come back in handy, the Riddell. So you should be able to read it left to right. So let's just make sure Riddell looks good there. And so you could tell that on this, there is a screw on one side and then just basically a hook on the other side. So one hole has grooves for a screw, the other one does not. So slip that hook in first. Now you can slide Riddell. Just clip. There's a little notch on this part of it. Make sure you get the strap in there, because if you put it where the notch is not, you will not be able to push this down. So, and you will not be able to put that screw in. To put this portion back on, clip that in there. You need your screw. I'm good with that estimation right there. I think this is where it was last time before I spray painted. So I'm not gonna try it on, but you probably want to try it on just to make sure you don't need to tighten this up before you go to a game and don't have a screwdriver to loosen it up. So let's slide the visor in. Probably gonna sit about right there. Let's try to get these clips on. So now, all right, visor in. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Last touch, put my mouthpiece back on. Let me rinse it off. I ain't gonna do all that on this video. Anyway, that is how you reassemble a Riddell Speed. If you need to disassemble, watch this video backwards. Man, this would have been done in 15 freaking minutes if it wasn't for these freaking clips, man. Yes, sir.